Tell me this is not the coolest thing ever. What if you could turn a photo, a memory, or just a simple idea into a printable coloring page in seconds? Meet Cricut Coloring Pages, the new creative tool that helps you make custom coloring pages from personal images or text prompts. So whether you want to turn a family photo into something fun, create a page for your kids, or make a relaxing coloring design for yourself, this tool makes it super easy. And the best part, you don't need a Cricut machine to use it. You just make your page, print it, and start coloring. It's also available for everyone to try. If you use the free version of Design Space, you'll get a one-time deposit of AI credits to experiment. Cricut Access subscribers get monthly credits included with their plan. Let me show you how it works. Just upload a photo like your pet, a vacation pic, or a sweet family moment. Or if you're more of a let's just describe it person, you can type a prompt like a cozy cottage in the woods with flowers and mushrooms. This option is really fun to do with my toddler. He comes up with the craziest ideas. Then pick a style and boom, you've got a custom coloring page ready to send to your printer. This is perfect for kids' activities, birthday parties, homeschool projects, holiday printables, family activity nights. Honestly, the list goes on. If you want something more detailed and relaxing, you can even make adult coloring pages too. I also love how personal this is. You can turn your kids into superheroes, your dog into a cartoon firefighter, or make your favorite memories into something you can actually color in and keep. No complicated design software, no extra setup, just a little creative fun moment. This one is seriously worth trying. Now the only question is, what are you going to turn into a coloring page first?